Hello lovelies, welcome back again to another video. I hope everybody is doing perfectly fine. So in today's video we are going to do a simple recipe. We are going to do egg pizza. For our ingredients, we have eggs, tomatoes, green bell peppers, onions, sausages, spices of your choice, oil, and ripe plantain. I will begin by peeling the ripe plantain and cut them into smaller pieces. I'll also add a pinch of salt and use my hand to stir beautifully. You can also go ahead and crack your eggs and set it aside. So in a hot pan, add in your oil and begin to fry the ripe plantain. On a low heat, stir until everything begins to turn into golden brown. So in a clean pot, I'll add in 2 tablespoons of oil and I'll add in my chopped onions. Steam for at least 30 seconds and add in the rest of your vegetables and also your spices as well. Stir fry for at least 2 minutes and set it aside. So after 2 minutes of steaming, I'll add everything to the eggs and stir. So in a hot pan, I'll add in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and begin to fry the eggs. I'll go ahead and add in my fried ripe plantain and some spices to give it a flavor. This dish is one of the easiest breakfast recipe you can think of. Kids love it, adults love it, and I'm pretty certain that you'll love it too. Let me know what other breakfast recipe you would love to see on this channel. Thank you for watching today's video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share, and smash that post notification bell so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified.